What is going on? Welcome to Greggles TV. This video is all about the Ray-Ban Meta AI glasses. And in this video, I'm gonna give you a bunch of tricks that you can do with these glasses that you potentially probably don't even know that you can do. Hey Meta, send a voice message to David Durago.
Voice message to David Durago on Messenger. Recording now.
Hey David, hope everything's going well. Let me know what you have going on today.
Ready to send?
Yes.
Sending message.
And the message gets sent direct to them without me having to confirm it or anything like that. And it sounds excellent because these microphones are excellent. Hey Meta, take a photo and share it to Instagram story.
Share photo on your Instagram story?
Yes.
Sharing photo.
There we go. And it's that easy. You get hands-free and it goes automatically to Instagram. And just to show you, there it is right there. When you're making a video call, you can use your glasses so that the person can see through your glasses. So I'm in WhatsApp currently. I'm gonna tap this button right here, which is the glasses. It says double press the capture button to switch the camera. I'm gonna switch that so it automatically goes to the glasses. And now it says it's active and you can see exactly what I can see, the person that you're video chatting with. This is like one of the coolest things with these glasses. You can also do it when you are going live on Instagram or Facebook. When you open it up again to go live, you have that button right here that allows you to double press it. And in just a moment, you can see now I am seeing everything that my glasses can see, and you can go live with that. All you do is just hit the live button to go live and you will be live through your glasses. Really cool stuff. Hey Meta, what song is this? The Ray-Ban Meta AI glasses have the ability to connect Shazam to these so that you can ask what song's playing if you're ever out and about. You can scan QR codes with these. I did it from a really far distance when I was at a concert recently and it worked perfectly, but I have one right here and we'll just show you that it works. Hey Meta, scan QR code.
Link sent to your phone.
So it sends a link to your phone and it opened directly up to what I was looking at. So we all know that these can translate when you're speaking to somebody in a different language, but what about if you're looking at something? You can also translate that as well if it's in a foreign language. All right, we're gonna translate this into English. Hey Meta, translate this.
Warning, prohibited throwing trash this area. Protected BY video surveillance offenders will be prosecuted.
That's pretty cool. You can have it summarize text that you're reading, have it be a book or an article or anything like that. Hey Meta, summarize this article.
WhatsApp is introducing 4 new features to its status updates, including the ability to create photo collages, add music, turn photos into stickers, and invite friends to contribute to a conversation. These features will be available to everyone on WhatsApp in the coming months.
That's awesome. Hey Meta, create a funny caption based off what I'm looking at.
When you're trying to take a selfie, but your dog is hogging the spotlight.
I was looking at my dog, that's right. Hey Meta, how do I take care of this plant and what kind of plant is it?
The plant in the image is a succulente. To take care of it, follow these steps. 1. Water sparingly. Succulents need infrequent but thorough watering. Water when the soil is dry to the touch, usually every 7 to 10 days.
You can have it remember things for you. So if like you want to remember where you left your keys or you want to remember your parking spot or you want to remember anything, these can do it. Hey Meta, remember that my keys are in the drawer.
Sure, I'll save a reminder. Your keys are in the drawer. When you're looking for it, ask me to search your reminders. For example, you can say, hey Meta, search reminders for my hotel room number.
So it's great like that. Again, she said like a hotel number or your keys or your parking spot. You can tell these to remember it. And then when you want to find it, hey Meta, search my reminders for where my keys are.
Your keys are in the drawer.
These glasses are so cool, guys. Click on the link down below to pick up your own pair. They are really cool. Listening to music, listening to podcasts, audio books, taking phone calls, recording video and photos with these, asking it AI type questions like I've shown you. They do a lot of stuff and they do it really, really well. Check out the link down below, guys. I love them. Seriously, one of my favorite tech products of the year. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you down the road. Peace.